I'm getting paid every single month to build my email list. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the steps that I take. So it all is about book publishing. And what I'm going to be talking about is self-publishing on Amazon. Now, these do not have to be your 60,000 word book. It can be simply a shorter, compact book, 20 to 30,000 words. But this is the overview of exactly how I do this. And what I want to do is I want to walk through the steps of how to set this up. And over the last, I would say 16 months, I've written 5 books that I've published on Amazon, and I'm currently driving lots of leads. So I get paid book royalties and I get email subscribers from those books. Here's how I do it. So if we jump back into the screen, starts with the book itself. So this is the first book in my series, Discover Your Message. And then inside, I offer a free mini course to go with the book. People get on my email list. And here's a little bonus. I point them to one of my 3 memberships. So this is in addition to what I'm talking about today, but there's a step further where you can also get automatic new customers, monthly paying customers every single month as well. But I want to focus just on this. How do we get the email leads? So this is how you supercharge this by creating a book series. I've written 5 of these books so far at the time of this recording, working on my 6th book of the series. And again, all of these are funneling in to earning book royalties, getting subscribers every month that I'm getting paid for, and I'm also adding customers as well. The other cool thing about doing a book series is that you begin to dominate a category. Here's a snapshot under business, marketing, and sales, where at one snapshot, I had 4 books in the top 100 for a pretty big category in business, marketing, and sales. Now, this was as about a month and a half ago. I did a private training for diving into this, but my sales, I'm currently getting anywhere from 30 to 40 book sales per day. I'm not running ads right now. That's something I may do in the future. I've seen about 13,000 books sold, and these are specifically the paperback, hardcover, and some Kindle. It does not include Kindle Unlimited because that's counted differently when you getting paid for how many pages they're reading. But the leads is what we're talking about today. And I'm seeing anywhere from 8 to 10 leads per day on Autopilot. As people find my book, they opt in. And again, I'm going to show you what it is that I am offering to them inside the book that gets them to want to join. And by the way, I'm going to show you a cool bonus trick hack at the very end for your Kindle books that changed the game for me on getting more leads. So we'll get back to that at the very end. So stick around for that. All right. I get about a 20-25% opt-in rate, which is pretty good, averaging anywhere from 240 to 300 leads per month on Autopilot. And I'm also getting, each book has been adding for me about 60 to 75 new leads per month. So this does accumulate. And so I have a goal. Hopefully, we'll see if we hit it by the end of this next year at the time of this recording, to have 20 books up on Amazon. And that, if the numbers play out, I would be generating anywhere from 4,800 to 6,000 new leads per month while still getting paid book royalties for every single person. So how does this actually work? What does this look like? And by the way, if you're enjoying this so far and you want me to do more videos like this where I take time to show you step by step, will you do me a favor? Just hit the like button or subscribe to the channel or even hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time a new video drops. All right, let's walk through this process. So the first step of this is right on the inside, I have a page that says your free gift. So this is one of the first things they see when they open up the book. Doesn't matter if it's Kindle, paperback, audiobook, hardcover. I cover this on every single one. And I say, as a way of saying thanks for your purchase, we have a free companion online course called the Discover Your Message Accelerator course. So this is a mini course. It's 4 or 5 videos. And what it's doing is it's helping them learn about what's in the book to get them to go read the book, right? I want them to consume it. That is what they see inside the book. When they click on the link or they go to the link, then they are met with this page right here, which has a productized image, very simple, get free access. they get free access. I use Kajabi for this. There's a link below if you want a free 30-day trial of Kajabi. Kajabi is what I run my whole business on. So this is how they get access to this for free, and they get on my email list. This is a shot of what it looks like inside of that course, and it's very simple. I've got a kind of introduction video. I've got 3 or 4 videos that I'm teaching the main parts of the book, and then I have a what's next to get them into my membership. I also have this area right here that's encouraging them. In this case, it's to get into a $7 a month mini membership site. Since this is a beginner book, that's what the offer is. Now, this is a little bit old, about a month or 2 old, but you can see here, this is a snapshot inside of Kajabi of the email subscribers. Now, whenever I launch a book, obviously I'm hitting a peak of email subscribers because it's a brand new book. But you can see once it settles down, every single month since I have published this book, I always get email subscribers. It's happening on autopilot, whether I'm talking about it or not, whether I'm promoting it or not. See, here's the thing. People are searching on Amazon. They're discovering the book. They are purchasing the book. They're seeing my offer. They're getting on my email list. And they're doing that across all these different books as well. So the same as for number 2 book. Had a spike when it first launched, and every single month I see new email subscribers. Same with book number 3, same with book number 4, and I just released book number 5 about 2 weeks ago. It's the same strategy. Now, do you think this is pretty cool? I think it's pretty cool. Think about this. While most people, and again, I'm going to show you my insider hack here that I discovered by accident that was a game changer for me. So stick around. But I got to make this point. While most people are spending money on Facebook ads to build their email list, I'm doing the opposite with this strategy. I'm getting paid book royalties, and my paying customers are then getting on my email list, 20 to 25% of them, right? And so I'm building my email list while getting paid. I'm running no ads in this strategy, and my email list is growing every day, every week, every month when I'm busy writing my next book. It's a pretty awesome strategy if you think about it. Tapping into one of the top 5 most visited sites on the planet, Amazon, tapping into their traffic, getting paid to grow your email list. Now, here is the hack. I noticed with Kindle books, when I opened up my Kindle book and I purchased my own book, when I opened it up at the introduction. It skipped over the table of contents, foreword, any of that pre-matter that's in the book. So what I did, and I use Atticus to write and publish my books. What I did inside of my Atticus, my writing tool, is I put my free offer after the introduction. Let me show you what that looks like. So here you can see there's introduction and then the free gift Kindle. This idea of offering a free gift inside of a book to build an email list is not my original idea. It's been around 10 years. But I think why most people don't get the results they want is because their free gift is up here. It's before the table of contents, after the table of contents. And when a book opens in Kindle, it opens with the introduction, which means people are not scrolling back up to find your free gift. They're not even seeing it. So that little hint, maybe if you already have a book, go do it, update your book, put your free gift offer after the introduction, and people will see it. Hope you love that ninja tip. So, would you like to know more about book publishing? Would you like to know how I also use free book funnels? I did an entire deep dive on how I use free book funnels to earn over $85 per book when someone goes into my book funnel. And if you want to see all the details of that, just click on this video right over here and let's jump into that. We'll see you over on that video.